friends, we're going to draw a sea otter.
Yeah, it's going to be really cute, and we're also going to draw it holding a heart. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies and some paper. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're using our Art for Kids Hub black marker, but you don't have to use the same thing we're using. You could use something completely different, like colored pencil or even a crayon.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start by drawing our otter's face. We're going to draw a little cute nose, and we're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw a circle or an oval shape. Yes. Then let's draw the mouth. We're going to draw a U shape coming out to the left and also coming out to the right. Kind of like a cat or a dog. Yeah, there you go. And out to the side. Then let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw a circle on the left side. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. And then let's draw a circle or an oval on the other side too. Ah, love your eyes. Those are really cute. Okay, now let's draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the eyes, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember, you can pause the video, take extra time to color in your eyes. Okay, now let's draw the head. We're going to draw the shape of the head. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw a curve that starts next to the eye and comes over to the other eye. So yes, you're going to start there, come under, and then over to here. I love how big your little sea otter is going to be. That's really cute. Now let's draw the top of our sea otter's head. I'm going to draw a curve that connects to the other side. The next time I draw my sea otter, I'm going to draw it as big as yours. Let's draw the little ears. We're going to draw just a short little U shape, upside down U on the left and also on the right. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the body. And it might be really cute if you have kind of a small body.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw a small body too. I'm going to start here. We're going to come down. We're going to draw the letter U, and then we're going to come back up for the body. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, now let's draw the heart. And we're going to start here, and let's draw 2 dots. We're going to draw one right here, and then we're going to come down a little bit, and then draw another one. Okay, that's the guide points for our heart. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to draw a curve that comes out like this. We're going to curve around, and then we're going to go straight into the bottom one. So you can come up, curve around, and then straight into the bottom. Yes, and then let's do the same curve on the other side. Curve around, and then straight into the bottom. Look at that heart. You did a great job. Now let's draw the arms hanging onto the heart. I'm going to draw the letter U. We're going to start here, and we're going to come like this, a sideways letter U. So we're going to come out, touch the heart, and then go back in. And then let's do the same thing over here. Come out, touch the heart, and then come back out. We did it. Okay, now what is our little otter missing?
The legs.
The legs or the feet. Let's draw an oval shape for one foot and another oval shape for the other foot on the other side. Yes. Now what is our sea otter missing?
The tail.
The tail. Let's draw a curve that comes down like this and off to the left. And then we're going to start here. We're going to curve around. Then we're going to get further away towards the top. So start at the bottom, kind of draw a point at the bottom, and then, yes, we did it. There's our little sea otter. Oh, we're missing whiskers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's draw 3 little whiskers coming out of the left cheek, and also 3 little whiskers coming out of the right cheek. Oh, and I love that you added them inside of the head. Mine come out, and it's perfect that they're both different. But what do we still need to do?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color it. Let's pick out our colors, and we'll come right back.
Okay.
We picked out 3 colors. We have red for the heart, and we have this light brown or kind of a peach color.
Yeah.
And then we also have dark brown.
Brown.
Yeah, and you have a different color. What's the one you have?
The pink.
Oh, yeah, you picked out pink for the cheeks, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with our peach color for the head. Some sea otters have a lighter colored head, and so let's fast forward this part because it might take us a little while to color in, especially your head, since it's giant.
Yeah.
You're doing a great job, Olivia. Keep going. I'm going to switch to my dark brown, and I'm going to use this to color the ears and also the body, tail, arms, and legs. I love the pink cheeks you got. Okay, I'm switching to red and I'm gonna color in the heart. Oh, and I had a little black left on there. And if you're using the same gel crayons or any kind of gel crayon, oh, there's even more black. Sometimes it helps to have a paper towel or a scratch piece of paper that you can use to wipe off any extra color from a different crayon. And that's okay. I think the black kind of looks like it's shading. So I'm gonna try to blend that in and make it look a little more smooth. And then we can finish coloring in the heart. Oh, what are you gonna color next?
I have no idea.
The ears and the body or the heart? Oh, you're gonna do the ears. Nice. Okay, this part we'll fast forward again. Remember to pause the video and take extra time to color in your drawings. You could even add more things to your drawing, like maybe a whole family of sea otters or water. You could draw the ocean. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute sea otters, and I especially love yours, and that cute head of yours is awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now remember, you can pause the video to match your same coloring, or you can color your drawings any way you want. You also don't have to use the same gel crayons. You could use regular crayons or something completely different, like even watercolor.
Or you could color with markers.
Oh yeah.
We hope you have fun drawing a cute sea otter with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.